Hello students, welcome back to our online class. So students, take out your English grammar book, page number 43. Okay, so today we'll start degrees of comparison. So what do you understand by degrees of comparison? So this is the part of adjective. It is also called adjectives of comparison. Clear? So what to understand by degrees of comparison? When we use adjectives to compare two or more nouns, the adjective change their form. Okay, these forms are called degrees of comparison. Now in a common, it's a common sense. Degree means what? Degree means like we used to say in a general way. So yesterday it was 20 degrees Celsius. Today it is 35 degrees Celsius, isn't it? So high, low, like that, isn't it? So this is the degree. And comparison means what you understand? Comparison, to compare anything with one, with more than two, or with more things, isn't it? So this is called comparison. So that is why when we use adjectives to compare to two or more nouns, okay, if we compare two to two or more nouns, this adjective changes form. How? As I've told, suppose the cello pen is cheap. Clear? Cheap. Cheap is the adjective. The cello pen is cheap. Then second one, then what it will be? Then in the definition it has already been said that but when we compare the cello pen with some other things, then the adjectives, the cheap, it will change in different form. How? Got it? It will change a different form. Suppose again, the cello pen is cheaper than the flare pen. Clear? Flare pen, then cheap became the cheaper, isn't it? Now again the cheaper. The cello pen is the cheapest of all. That means what? As a whole, cello pen is the cheapest. That means what? We have got cheap, cheaper, cheapest. Now we are comparing. That is why we got from cheap to cheaper. And after comparing the two to more things, then it became the cheapest. Got it? So this is one of the example I have given in general. Okay. Now let us see. Then there are 3 degrees of comparison. Now first one is positive degree, second one is comparative degree, and third one is superlative degree. Now what is positive degree? The positive degree of an adjective is the adjective in its simplest form. Like simplest form, it is a simple one. It is the main adjective. Okay. It used to denote the mere existence of some quality. It tells about the quality of what we speak. In positive degree, no comparison is made. Clear? Example. Rama's mango is sweet. His mango is sweet. It is a simple adjective. It has the quality of, the mango has the quality of sweetness, isn't it? So the Rama's mango is sweet. This is simple. That is why it is said it is an adjective in a positive degree, is an adjective in its simplest form, which does not make any comparison. Clear? Now coming to the comparative degree. Comparative degree means what? By the word only we can say, that means there is some comparison. Clear? Hari's mango is sweeter than Rama. That means what? Rama's mango is sweet. We have got here. Now Hari's mango is sweeter than Rama. We are comparing here Hari's mango with Rama's mango. And that is why in this definition it is said the comparative degree of an adjective denotes a higher degree of a quality than the positive. Okay, but then the positive. It is only higher than the positive. One step ahead of the positive. And it is used when two things are compared. Clear? Now coming to superlative degree. What is superlative degree? Now superlative degree of an adjective denotes the highest degree of the quality and is used when more than two things are compared. Okay. Now more than two things are compared, then it becomes the highest degree. That is, example, Govind's mango is the sweetest of all. This sweetest, sweet, sweeter, sweetest. That means the Govind's mango more than Rama, more than Hari. Govind's mango is sweetest. That is why we are comparing more than 2%. We are Govind, Hari, and Rama. We are talking about 3%, isn't it? More than 2%. So it is the sweetest of all. Clear? So this is all about the comparison of adjectives. Clear? Now to conclude, it is the simplest form. Comparative degree used to compare between two things, and superlative degree used to compare with more than two things. Clear? So this is in very simplest sense. Okay. So students, in the next class we shall start another chapter. Okay. Till then, thank you.